Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download Netflix on your Apple TV. First, let's head to the home screen of your Apple TV. Then, scroll down to the list of your apps and open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you'll be taken to the Discover page. Netflix is a pretty popular app, so you might even see it right here on the list. But if you don't see it, scroll all the way up to the hotbar at the top. Then, scroll all the way to the right to find the search icon. From here, go ahead and search for Netflix. You can type it in, or if you don't see the text field, press and hold the side button on your Siri remote to search using your voice. Netflix. As you can see, Netflix is the first result, so click on the app. This will take you to the apps page. Scroll down to learn more about the application if you want. Now to download the app, scroll back up to the top and click the Get button. Now in my case I have previously downloaded the application before, so I'm going to click on the Cloud Download button instead. This will immediately start downloading Netflix to your Apple TV. You might be asked to enter your Apple ID password at this point. After a few seconds, it should be successfully downloaded. Now, click the Open button. This will open the Netflix application on your Apple TV. Once Netflix is open, click on Join Now if you're new to Netflix, or if you already have an account, click Sign In. Then, go ahead and sign into your account like you normally would. And that's it. You can now start watching Netflix on your Apple TV. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.